100 exercises a day to flex your spine and relax your whole body. Clap your legs. 100 stretches a day to open your hips. Two movements to train the legs and abdomen. Two exercises to stretch your shoulders and back. Pull back arm swing exercise. Each movement takes 5 minutes to make your health care and gymnastics. Back and waist flexible. If you want to increase your leg strength, you should do open shoulders and back to avoid stiff shoulders and back. Do this. Swing your body every day to stay healthy and comfortable. 2 actions to enhance leg strength. Concentrate your mind and energy to strengthen your waist and legs. Hold your palms up and down.